Rise!
Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Indian River County in east central Florida, south central Brevard
Sorry
County
about
in
that,
east
guys.
central
I'm gonna
Florida
have to
until 5:45
go ahead
p.m.
and
Eastern
put a
Daylight
camera
Time.
angle.
At 5:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Blue Cypress Lake, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Indian River and south central Brevard counties. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Holy crap.
Avoid windows.
Another TOR.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The short